Simone Biles. Perhaps she did have a mental breakdown, but perhaps she didn't. Perhaps she's just letting everybody else get a shot. Why do all the kids get to play? All the kids get to play. All the kids... Tornado alert. All the kids get to play. All the kids get to go Tokyo to try to get on this jumping beam, try to get on. Everybody's having a good shot. Everybody's having fun. Why does SimoneBiles have to do it all the time? She has to kick everybody's ass. Everybody gets tired of SimoneBiles always winning. We don't want to see her win. We want to see somebody try to lose and then win, lose and win. It's all about defeat and get it up. Well, what fun is it to watch somebody who just keeps winning and winning and winning and winning? It's like watching New York Yankees all over again. Well, who gives a shit if you got like $20 billion? Who cares? Who cares? We want to see SimoneBiles. We want to see people fall off the balance beam. We like in America. We like destruction. We like things people falling off. I don't want to see a lot of people fall off getting low scores. That's fun. That's fun for me. I don't want to see somebody get 10s and 10s and 10s or 5.9s or 5.9s or 6s. Who cares? You can do a triple, quadruple backflips. No, I can't. And I'd rather see somebody who can just kind of like roll around on the balance beam. She doesn't fall off. Hey, that's a great job. Job well done. Job well done. I've been practicing balancing for about a year and a half, a day and a half. Why? SimoneBiles has been practicing for 10 to 15 years. So SimoneBiles, rock on. Tweetie voice. This is July 29, 2021, 6:35 p.m. Where's that tornado? Where's that tornado coming at you hard? What's going on in the world? Tweetie.